Welcome back. Monday lunchtime, Jim White on talkSPORT with Wix, and Trade Pro members, remember, get 10% off every time that they shop. Danny Murphy is with me. You probably heard him there. That was you, wasn't it?
Oh, sorry, well, that's cough.
Danny Murphy, Danny Murphy, Danny Murphy, Danny Murphy. He's an angel to me.
Shows that that they're not going to go away. They're going to be there or thereabouts. They are fighting till the end for this fourth spot. And B, what tremendous strength and depth they've actually got when
Danny Murphy.
I personally thought, for example, at Tottenham in the Cup at the weekend, without Mahrez and Vardy in the side, that they might struggle to create, and far from it. They're still at this stage of the season playing with that energy, that athleticism and that creativity that we've seen throughout the season so far. And I think
Danny Murphy, how I want him, how I tingle when he takes a call. Every time he says talkSPORT, my heart begins to stall.
Danny Murphy on the Alan Brazil Sports Breakfast. Angels with dirty faces.
Monday morning from 6 on talkSPORT.
And I think it's hard